wants to practice driving, so today we are going to take Juvy to go kill dead people in the cemetery. Last time she almost ran over many dead people, so let's go have some fun. We have been staying away from people and places. We haven't been going to any stores or anything like that. Early on, we got all of the food that we need for quite a long time, so I don't know when we're gonna have to go shopping again, but we've been keeping busy singing karaoke, right, babe? Just a little closer. Just a little closer. We've been not really watching too much TV. I've been looking at new cars because I hate this car. And today, Juvy asked me if I could teach her how to drive. So we came to the cemetery. We're here at St. John Cemetery in Middle Village, Queens. This is a famous cemetery for the famous mafiosi that are buried here. John Gotti, Lucky Luciano, Vito Genovese, I believe Vito Genovese. Anyway, so we're here. Juvy wants to learn how to drive. We figured this is a good place to for her to learn, because you can't kill dead people, so it's better to learn in here. So
this will be like my third time, because before we tried to come here also, and then one on the parking lot, because I need to drive. Let's see if he's a good coach, teacher, or if I'm a good learner. Let's see, guys.
All right, let's see. Okay, seatbelt's on, babe. Put that foot on the brake. You're gonna take the shifter and put it in drive.
D?
Yeah, yep. Now you're in drive. Slowly let off the brake. Okay, good job, babe. And you want to give it a little bit of gas. All right, you're gonna stop at the stop sign.
Okay, straight is like this, right?
Yeah, straight is the wheel straight, babe. Good, you're doing good, babe. Good job. Juvy's doing a good job. Pull up to the stop sign, babe. You're 50 feet in front of the stop sign. You're supposed to stop at the stop sign. Okay, go straight.
Ah, babe, there's
go
a car.
Straight.
Okay, I'm scared because there's a car.
Okay.
And turning is
not easy. I don't know whether I'm a bad teacher or Juvy's just
okay, so what will I do,
petrified
babe?
of driving. 20, 25. Oh my God. Good job, babe. It's a very stressful experience, I must say. It's very stressful. Although Juvy seems to be getting the hang of it. I don't know. We might have to have my mom do this. I don't know if I can handle this anymore. Turn the wheel, turn it back, start turning it back. Very good, good job. So, Juvy's doing good. Juvy's doing a good job. Good job, Juvy. Let's get some more light in here. Juvy's enjoying her driving. Are we running out of gas yet? No, we're good on gas. Turn it back, start turning it. Yeah, there you go, turn it back. Holy Jesus. That was crazy. At least we know no one's following us on this road. I think this is we went to the crematory. All right, you can pull over next to that building over there, babe. All right, so that's Juvy driving during the COVID pandemic, and we're gonna switch sides now. I'm gonna do a handoff on this camera too.
If I'm calm, I can think, babe.
Very crazy.
That was fun. That was really fun, guys. To think that that's my
oh my God!
third
What did you do to the seat? That was a fun adventure.
You said it's stressful. The first 5 minutes was stressful, but then when I started to be calm, relaxed, I know what I'm doing. And then it becomes fun. But you're just like talking a lot, babe. Stop talking a lot. It's stressful.
It's my fault.
You need to be calm. You're the coach. You're the teacher.
I'm not a freaking driving instructor. That's a profession. You think I'm a
It's
professional?
crazy. You're making me like like nervous.
Yeah, the feeling's mutual.
I know what I'm doing.
Juvy, please
It's
do
just
not say
when
that again. I'm going
but
to
see-
laugh if you say that again. You know what you're doing?
When the right,
You're not
the
even
right-
looking both ways, and you're just
right turn.
driving, and then you pull 45 feet in front of the
Because
stop
I'm
sign and
constantly-
stop like here, and then you're trying to look around the corner, and you can't see around the corner.
Babe, like seriously, and you're there to tell me, okay, you can go. You know, if there's any car on the left side or the right side.
Maybe you should be a driving instructor if you know how driving instructors are supposed to teach. I think you should instruct people on how to drive, babe, honestly.
Crazy.
Anyway.
The road after shut down when the world will stop. Without a sound in a moment, you will cry for help. That we only think about ourselves.